All right, here we are at European Motors, and hey Tommy, I know we don't sell new cars here, but this is about as good as you can get. This is 13,000 mile, and this is an Inscription XC90 Inscription. So this one's loaded up in denim blue metallic. This is a great color on this, and I'm gonna peek in here because some of these are 6 and some of these are 7. So this is gonna be a 7 passenger, because we got the bench back here. Let's pop this open so we can see because if you're looking at one of these, you're probably interested in the fact it's got a little lint right here. Man, it smells like new in here. And you'd expect that with 13,000 miles. So you got a nice 7-row setup back here. And Tommy, we were looking at the sticker on one of these. If you were to buy one of these brand new today, it's what, 65 to 70, I think, depending on how it's equipped.
With this trim level, yeah, you're gonna be somewhere between 65 to 70 grand.
Yeah, and we're 20 grand less than that. So if you're okay with 13,000 miles, you're gonna save about as much as that Taos up there. So you could buy 2 pretty nice cars with that kind of money, or you could just buy this one because you're gonna save 20 grand. T6 all-wheel drive, of course. Some of these are front-wheel drive. This one is all-wheel drive. Really nice set of Pirelli Scorpions. Obviously these were the original equipment tire. 21-inch wheels.
Like the black pockets on those rims, they have a really nice look.
They look great with this denim blue. Is kind of a it's not blue. I'm not a fan of blue cars, but it's kind of a gray blue, and it looks really classy and upscale without kind of just looking like every other gray or, you know, dark gray car on the road. And it's a non-smoker interior. We'll pop the door open here. Oh, you can tell this is an Inscription. I mean, look at those.
Yeah.
And a million adjustments, and you got lumbar and everything.
I really like the interior on this. This is not a normal like black interior.
Yeah, hopefully that's coming across. We got nice contrasting stitching right here. I love the tone that they chose on this wood. It's a nice neutral modern looking wood tone. And you're right, that's a really kind of warm gray color. Has a little bit of blue in it, kind of. It goes very well against the paint color. Just a gorgeous interior. Panoramic roof. This one's a stunner. This is definitely a little nicer than the average one of these, Tommy, I feel like.
We have sunshades in the back doors for kiddos in the back. I mean, it's loaded up.
Speakers up there in the ceiling. It smells brand new in here. So, look, you're gonna save a ton of money on one of these. This is a one owner Carfax on this, clean title, ready to go. Anything else we want to show them, or should we drive it?
Let's hop in and take it for a spin. Got a lot of options to go over in there. Hopefully we can get them all for you. And just sitting down, you know you're in a Volvo. The seats are just amazing.
They're better. We watched a movie last night. I wish I would have had these in the room we were in. No warning lights. Everything clears. I think this is going to be part of our certified program, right?
This is, yep. So this is certified. This also still has factory warranty on it as well. Backup camera. If you leave it in reverse for a second, we got a 360 camera, and it also has a side view for parallel parking. Then we have the front view as well. So if you have something in front of you, tons and tons of options. This has the driver assist package, so you have blind spot monitoring, lane departure warning, active cruise control, active lane keep,
heads up display if you can see it.
Sometimes the camera catches it, sometimes it doesn't.
That's kind of nice. You got your, if you're not familiar with that, you've got your speedometer up there, and then you also have through the navigation and GPS shows you what the speed limit is. So there's no, hey, what's the speed limit here when you see the policeman at the underpass or whatever.
We have a premium hardened carbon sound system in here. Really nice sound system. I think we have heated and cooled seats, heated steering wheel. I know we have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, Sirius XM. And this screen is really easy to use. They design it a lot like a smartphone. You have your 3 main menus here, a home button here. They make it just very user friendly. And if you're not sure how to use it, you can pull down here and there's an owner's manual. You can just search any feature you need. It'll tell you right how to do it.
Yeah, there books in the glove box? No, they're right here.
But
at
actually,
your fingertip.
there still are books in the glove box if you do want the books.
Yeah.
See, we have a wireless charging pad down here on the center console.
Well, let's get it up to highway speed here, huh? It's super quiet in here. Yeah, it's 60 miles an hour, just super quiet. No shakes, no shimmies. Like you'd expect. I mean, 13,693 miles. This is like a new car in here.
It's better than a new car because it's 20 grand less.
Yeah, that's right. Yep. So there it is. Remember, we ship anywhere in the lower 48 states. If you're looking for a virtually new Volvo, give us a call and we'd be happy to help you out, arrange shipping, or come on in, see it in person, take it for a spin, talk to Tommy, Kyle, Pete, or Susie, or Caleb. Be happy to help you on it. Thanks so much for watching 13,000 mile XC90 Inscription package, denim blue.